Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine. Students, open your book page number 65. We are doing question answers of chapter Brer Rabbit Goes Fishing. So as you know that we are doing revision of this chapter. So if you have missing work, now you can complete it. Okay. What was the name of the story? So what was the name of the story? Obviously, the title of the story is Brer Rabbit Goes Fishing. The name of the story was Brer Rabbit Goes Fishing. What were Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear doing? Students, look at this picture. You can see that Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear were digging a patch of ground. Why? To plant corn. So they were digging a patch of ground to plant corn. Okay, that is the answer. They were digging a patch of ground to plant corn. Next question. What kind of day was it? What kind of day was it? It was a hot day. It was a hot day. Next question. How did Brer Rabbit get away from the others? Students, look at this picture carefully. Brer Rabbit, you can see in this picture, carried a bundle of grass and piled it on a rubbish heap, which was at some distance. Next question. Where did he try to sleep? He tried to sleep in the bucket. Students, you can see here in this picture, he tried to sleep in the bucket which was hanging in the well. This is the well. And he tried to sleep in this bucket. Next question. What happened when he jumped into the bucket? When he jumped into the bucket, as you can see, when he jumped into the bucket, into the well, the bucket went down. Okay. So the bucket went down into the well. Question number 7. Who watched Brer Rabbit disappear down the well? In place of who, you will write the name of a person, okay? Of who is used for persons. Who watched Brer Rabbit disappear down the well? Student, you can see here in this picture a fox. Brer Fox watched Brer Rabbit disappearing down the well. Okay, the next question is, where did Brer Fox, question number 8, where did Brer Fox think he had gone? Brer Fox thought that he had gone to a secret hiding place. Question number 9, what did Brer Fox shout down the well? Brer Fox shouted, what are you doing down in the well? Number 10. What was Brer Rabbit's answer? Brer Rabbit answered that he had caught lots of fish. He was making a joke with the fox because he know that he couldn't come out from the well. So he made a trick with fox and he said that he was fishing and he had caught lots of fish. Next question. What did Brer Fox do? In jealousy, Brer Fox jumped into the bucket and fell down. Students, you can see here in this picture that In jealousy, he jumped into the bucket and fell down. When he jumped in the bucket, there were two buckets hanging into the well. So when he jumped into the bucket, the second bucket go up, and which made the rabbit to go outside the well. Why was Brer Fox very sad? What was the reason that now he was very sad? Because as you know that in the story that Brer Rabbit make a trick, and that's why now Brer Fox was in great danger. So he was very sad. So Brer Fox was sad because he sat alone in the bucket at the bottom of the well. Now he don't know how he will come outside the well. Why did the farmer come to the well? Farmer came to the well to shoot the Brer Fox. How did Brer Fox escape? He gave one great leap from the bucket and ran off as fast as he could as he reached upward. Student, if you have missing work, I will share you the picture of these question answer. Okay, so complete these question answers and also learn all these question answers. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.